Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted iMessages on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. If you've accidentally deleted important messages from your iPhone, there are several ways to retrieve them, even without a backup. First, if you use iCloud for messages, you can download a copy from iCloud. Go to your iCloud settings, find the messages toggle, and switch it off. Tap Disable and download messages. After that, check your messages again. You may find them restored. This method works only if you have previously enabled iCloud for messages. Another way to recover deleted text messages is through an iCloud backup. If you prefer not to restore the entire backup, you can use iTunes as an alternative method. So that's basically how you can recover deleted iMessages on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.